Hello everyone. Very quickly, I just want to show you guys how to clear a pathway without using the lawnmower. This is for my national forest. So I just put a bunch of boxes down and just weighed it down. They're wet right now, so that's good for me. And I just put them down and I step on them. Step on them, move it like that. I make me a pathway. Right there's my centerpiece. So you can see what I'm doing. Nice little pathway. Nice little pathway. Like that. And if I want to go back over it, I'll go back over it with a lawnmower. But for right now, that's how that looks. I'm gonna show you without the boxes. And that's my little path. This is my little path. The boxes weighed all the grass down, make it a little easier for me to get through. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back over it with a lawnmower.